a beautiful Dino Beach day.
Hey! You splashed me! You're right, Dr. Turbot. What a peaceful day in the Dino Wilds. An earthquake!
Whoa! Oh dear, I think we have a lot more than an earthquake on our hands. That much smoke means the volcano has erupted.
Then there's no time to lose. Pups, to the Dino Patroller.
Arf, ruff, arf, arf, arf,
Yeah! It looks like the earthquake split the ground and made the volcano erupt. We have a massive dino rescue on our paws, Pups.
Look, there's a raptor stuck at the very top of the volcano.
You're right, I see him. We will get the raptor down to safety. No volcano is too big, no pup is too small. Now, before we can save the raptor, we need to get across the gap. So that means we need to find something we can use as a bridge. That rock over there! Great find, Chase. Rubble, use your scoop to knock that big rock over the gap to make a bridge.
Rubble on the Dino Double!
Don't worry, Raptor, we're on our way. Marshall, I need you to climb the volcano and save that raptor. Have your water cannons at the ready. This is going to be a fiery rescue. I'm fired up. Whoa! That feels like another earthquake. The volcano looks like it's going to erupt again. Marshall, watch out for the flying rocks! All good. You'll need to put out some of those fires caused by the lava before you can rescue the raptor. I'm on it! Ruff! Water cannon! Nice work clearing the flames, Marshall. Now go save that raptor quick. It must be getting pretty toasty up there. Roger that, Ryder. Raptor, here I come. Oh man, that doesn't sound good, but I'm almost there. I made it. Come on, Raptor. There's no time to lose. Quick, follow me. You did it, Marshall! You saved the raptor!
Wow!
Amazing!
Great rescue, Marshall.
Amazing work, Marshall! That was one rough rescue. It was pretty warm up there. I could really use a swim. What do you think, Pups? Should we get back to our beach day?
Beach day! Beach day!
Yeah! An earthquake and an erupting volcano. What a day! Thanks for all your help keeping the dinos safe, PAW Patrol. Of course, Dr. Turbot. Whenever an earthquake shakes things up, just yelp for... Hey! You splashed me!